In 2025, the Onepay Walmart integration has evolved into a powerful and highly convenient payment solution, making it easier than ever for shoppers to complete transactions both in store and online. By linking Walmart Pay to the Onepay app, customers can store multiple payment options including debit cards, credit cards, gift cards, and even digital wallets in one secure location, eliminating the need to carry a physical wallet. The checkout process is faster as users simply scan a QR code or use contactless tap to pay, making it ideal for busy shoppers. Enhanced security features like biometric authentication, tokenization, and real-time fraud monitoring ensure every payment is safe. Beyond payments, the platform also offers benefits like instant receipt storage, easy returns processing, and personalized savings or rewards for frequent shoppers. With its smooth interface and strong reliability, Onepay Walmart in 2025 has positioned itself as more than just a payment method. It's an all-in-one shopping companion that streamlines the buying experience, increases security, and keeps customers connected to their Walmart purchases wherever they go.